Hey guys, today let's learn how to download Twitter videos to your gallery. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and download Twitter videos to your gallery, all we need to do is to go ahead and then search for the specific video that you want to download. And if you are using an iPhone device, good for you guys, because we could actually use the iPhone screen recording feature to download videos. So all we need to do is to search for that specific video first that we need to download. In this case, we could always download this video for this example. And then if you want to go ahead and save this video to your device, of course, all we need to do is just tap on our screens to remove the captions and details. Scroll to your control centers and you should see the screen recording option right here. So I want you to just tap on that. It's going to count from 3, 2, 2, 1, and then it's going to start recording your screen. So I just want you to watch the video all the way through, and then once you're happy with what you have seen and recorded, we can now go ahead and tap on the screen recording feature again to save it onto our gallery. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.